It's a brand new day, bright every dreaming for.
Hi, this is Mika.
Hi, this is Kin.
And this is
The Current.
So for this video, we're going to introduce to you a segment for the channel. It's called Catch Up Sesh.
Catch up, Sesh, Mars.
Yes. So for our first question, it will be given to us by our editor, Kimi.
Hi, Kim.
So the first question is, what is the session about? The session is about catching up with each other, kung ano yung naging progress namin within the month, ganyan. So, what we wanted to have is,
More on sharing.
Oo,
Ano
sharing.
yung mga na-achieve or
Oh, for the
milestones
month.
for
Oo.
the previous month.
over food.
Yes.
So, we have, as you can see, we have food right now, and this is from Tiger Winx. So, we will try catching up over food because I heard naman the best conversations is always over food. So, we're trying to incorporate that in this one. So, we will be trying food from local businesses.
Yes, Tiger Winx.
We're starting with Tiger Wings because this is tried and tested and we love it.
Chicken.
Yes, we're craving chicken right now. So for our second question, when will it take place? Every end of the month. That's the plan.
Yes.
Yeah, we wanted because it's a catch up of the whole month, so every end of the month. Yeah.
Since you already released 5 episodes for your podcast, so what is your insight about the past podcast that you released?
Hindi ko tayo nakakakain. We released, ano ba yung episodes?
Yung
namin?
first one is yung why we start the podcast.
Yes, I hope you watch them. Hagan is the ano ba yung
Actually,
second?
maganda yung first episode natin kasi yun yung parang initial, introduction kung ano yung magiging podcast. Tapos kung ano yung mga pwedeng topics sa pag-uusapan.
Yes.
As well as getting, having a bonding with your best friend is something that you should have.
Oo. And look forward to every month.
Mm-mm.
It's important. Then,
True.
kaya pa besh. Yung sa marriage, I think we've covered topics naman that are relevant to people our age or maybe less than our age. Parang ganyan. So I think most of our topics are relatable naman. K-pop, which is
Yung
booming
K-pop
also.
lalo. Daming K-pop. Lalo ka na.
Oo, K-popper! Hello!
Kim!
Actually, ang nag-introduce sa akin na when it comes to K-pop are my sisters and Kim. Si Kim, may sila yung mga K-pop fan, ganyan. So, that's why we came up with the idea of, because I don't know much about K-pop and I want to delve more into that realm.
Wow,
Realm. Hindi ako familiar. So, we wanted to, maybe some people also experience the same thing as me. So, we wanted it to be relatable also. What else did we have?
The firstborn.
Disney, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Disney. We're big Disney fans. So, the first few episodes is directly related to us. Parang kung ano talaga yung mga naiisip namin ngayon, yung mga, maybe you can relate to them. Kaya, yeah, we share what we know and we want you also to share.
Follow-up
Yeah.
question.
Follow up?
What's what's the most favorite episode?
Oh, ako Disney. Kasi Disney fan talaga ako eh. Disney. I like
Bakit? Sige, ibahin ko yung akin, no?
Ano?
K-pop. Kasi
Okay
may
ba?
guest tayo, no?
Ay, Ay, may guess din tayo kay Disney.
Ayun, same nga. Pero kasi
Kasi,
mas, yung K-pop ngayon is
Booming.
booming talaga. So, maraming mas makaka-relate. Especially yung levels of K-pop fan,
Oo.
di ba?
Sana nakarelate kayo doon. Please tell us. Sana nagka-comment Can you comment please? Ano pa ba? We released the panganay, di ba? I think that's a more serious topic with
Serious topic siya.
alongside the marriage.
Mm-mm.
Actually, with the marriage, we received feedback on that marriage is a sanctity. Ano ba yung tawag dun? Sacrament in church.
in church.
So, pag ang union, sila naman yung for
For
the
same-sex.
same sex. So, ayun, yung ano namin. We're drinking responsibly ba? Yun yung feedback na na-receive namin and we're very grateful for that. We're learning as we go. Thank you for that
Yes.
comment. Sana, so now you know that comment also. And if you have other comments on previous topics that we've covered,
Really
just
open.
know that we are reading them. Kaso ngayon wala. So please comment. Tatawanan kami ng aming editor. Okay, do we have other questions?
Since this is the first month for me is going strong.
Wow.
I mean, I saw the insights and it's good. So for the next episodes that you have prepared, what are those hints that you can tell about the audience right now and other future audience?
Rice is delicious. What do you for future episodes? I think we're going to continue the progress and the ano yun, purpose that we have.
Yes.
So kasi currently we're producing topics that relates to us, that may relate to you. The future topics that we have also relates to you. I think it's more relatable to people our age. Pero pwede rin naman siya, younger
Pwede rin sa
gen
younger
or sa older
generation.
gen.
Meron naman din para sa kanila.
So, ano namin, I think the goal is just to have topics that are very relatable to people.
Relatable to people
I think
talaga.
it's not only topics May mga meron din kaming debate or
Oo, kasi maganda talaga yung may topics na may debate. Para at least natututo rin tayo.
Debates that we saw on TikTok also. So I know you can relate them. So kapag meron halimbawa for debate, you can share with us what your opinions are also. Yan. Ayun, I think that's what's coming for the episode. And for this session, the coming session, the catch-up session.
Catch-up session. Ketchup.
Ketchup. Mayo session. Yun. So only for the catch-up session will we have food, but for the rest of the videos, we are just talking to you and having a conversation.
Pwede ba ang catch-up session magiging live?
Yes. We're going to have live catch-up sessions.
So, siya mapapanood? Facebook?
Facebook or YouTube. We don't know. Editor, can you help us? We don't know yet, but we'll practice because
Yes.
we don't have an experience with this one. But we're currently experimenting on live sessions.
Yes. Hopefully makanood kayo ng live sessions namin kasi doon is pwede namin i-cater yung mga questions, especially kung andun talaga kayo. Mas maka-cater namin yung mga questions and you will get to know more about us.
Live talaga yung pag-answer namin. Although on our videos naman, live naman yung pag-answer namin. But this one, you'll see our reactions to your questions live.
So be there.
Please. Ayun. So that's what the session is about. We hope you join us on those sessions and we'll see you on our next episode and session. Bye-bye.
See you!
We'll have more food. Now we're having chicken from Tiger Winx.
Tiger Winx.
This is their, ano ba ng nito?
Nakalimutan ko yung flavors. Basta meron ng Tiger Winx na flavor ka.
Oo, Tiger Winx, soy, garlic
Parmesan.
and, ano to? Hindi. Barbecue. So baka ito yung Tiger Winx, ito yung barbecue. I don't know. Basta po yun po yung in-order namin na So it's nice because they offer bilao bundles.
Yes,
And
it's
they
very
are
delicious.
and affordable. So
Mm-mm. Sulit talaga siya,
Oh.
guys.
your money is sulit for
Rate
this.
it, rate.
Ah, sa
Ano?
flavor.
Sige.
Ang mas gusto namin yung chili,
Sa
creamy chili cheese.
Tiger Winx, sana naman may available parati yung flavor na.
Oo, yung creamy chili cheese, that's our favorite. This is ranch. This is rice. This is ramen. This is soju flavored. We don't drink much po, but it's okay when we're catching up naman.
Oo.
Hindi naman tayo inom every month, di ba? So this is just what we feel right now, what we're in the mood for. And that's what we're having. From 1 to 10, I would rate this as 11. I always get this pag may bisita. Oo. Di ba, Kim? Pag may bisita tayo. Tiger Winx na lang. Because it's just there. So it's easy. And their service is very fast.
Oo, mabilis lang, di ba?
Hinintay lang namin to kanina eh.
Where is it located? Their shop?
Is along Panay Avenue.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. May ibang branch din ata sila. Diba? Kasi I think sa Facebook, you will see there's a branch for UST, near UST. Yes. Yun. So, Tiger Winx, hello.
11.
11 ka ba?
10 lang po muna. Wala yung flavor na sinabi mo eh.
Sabi na nga.
Di ko pa po natatry yun.
Masarap yun eh.
Yun yung gusto kong itry kasi every time na bumibili kami nila Mika, lagi siyang out of
So
stock.
ikaw pala.
Hindi ko pa natatry.
Ikaw
Last
pala.
time kasi diba, kasama na, yung bumili tayo, nandito sila Chongo. Wala
Wala
rin yun.
din, diba?
Oo.
Ikaw pala. Charot.
Pero masarap talaga siya, guys.
Kahit ibang flavors. Although, we just prefer the creamy chili cheese because maraming cheese. Mahilig po kami sa cheese. Pero yun yung favorite flavor. Gagawa ba? Ngayon. Based sa mga natikman.
Garlic parmesan.
Kasi may cheese. Ito nga yung Tiger Winx because it's citrus. As to yung soy garlic. Ito yung barbecue garlic palms.
Sabi mo, ilang piraso to? Parang ang dami na kagad.
28.
Diba?
28 pieces for
For less than 1,000.
less than 1,000.
Pwede
see
na
the
siya,
price
diba?
naman in the menu. Yun. Yes. Very it can feed ilang people. Dami. Mga 5 to 6 people if you have normal appetite. Ano pag big appetite pala, no? So baka mga 3 people pag big appetite. Yun.
3 to 4 kasi 4.
Nakaba ba?
Pwede sila hati-hati.
Bye-bye. Agree. Sana.
Thank you so much.